Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, today we will revise and we will start new lesson. And the name of lesson is 3 Environment Talk. Environment Talk we had already discussed about it. So today we will see the exercises. First of all, we will see spot check. Dear student, be careful about your study and read whole lesson properly line by line. You will get an question from inside the book. Learn all the exercise, that is okay, but you have to read line by line lesson also. So let's start. First of all, take the correct answer. That is the problem, that is the question related with spot check. First question is, people and plants are two options are given here and you have to choose right one. So people and plants are living things oblique non-living things. Living oblique non-living things. And you have to encircle the correct one. I hope you guess the answer. Just find out the answer yourself, then after I will tell you. So people and plants are which thing? Living things. People and plants are living things. Living things. And next is, air and water are examples of human made natural resources. You have to write which resources, human made or natural. So air and water. Yes student, air and water is not human made. It is not made by human. We have not made this air and water. Who made? Natural resources. It is a natural resources. So right answer will be natural resource. Next question. There are dash types of pollution. There are 3/4 types of pollution. How many types of pollutions are there, beta? There are 4 types of pollution. The pollution name is air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and last one is noise pollution. So 4 pollutions are there. So your right answer is 4. And next one is, bursting firecrackers causes noise oblique water pollution. Bursting firecrackers causes noise oblique water pollution. What will be the answer? Yes student, bursting of firecracker is not the cause of water pollution, it will be the cause of noise pollution. It is the cause of noise pollution and also air pollution. It's all about the spot check, and after spot check we will see the exercises. So first of all we will see word bank. And first word bank is natural resources. Yes student, natural resources. What are natural resources? Things provided by nature. Things provided by nature. All the things on the earth that is not made by man is called natural resources. Yes, student? Natural resources which are gifted by nature to us. So, natural resources, things provided by nature. All the things that is provided by nature, not by man. So, natural, it is called natural resources. And next is sewage, human waste and dirty water from drains. Human waste and dirty water from drains. Yes, student, our the water that we use in different activities are drained by. Drain means बेटा बहाना, बहा करके किस कैसे लेके जाते हैं. It is drained by, it is waste and dirty water from drains. Drains means nali. Drain means nali. So it is called sewage. मतलब जिस नाली से गंदा पानी हमारे घरों का और शहर का पानी जो जिस नाले से बाहर लेके जाया जाता है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, सीवेज. दैट इज कॉल्ड सीवेज. एंड नेक्स्ट इज फर्टिलाइजर्स. फर्टिलाइजर्स, यस स्टूडेंट, केमिकल्स और natural substances added to the soil to make it more fertile. Fertilizers, chemical or natural substances. All the chemicals and natural substances that added to the soil to make it more fertile. बेटा फर्टिलाइज़र जो होता है फार्मर्स के द्वारा यूज़ किया जाता है खेतों में फसल पैदा करने के लिए. फर्टिलाइज़र्स के द्वारा हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अच्छी फसल पैदा कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फर्टिलाइज़र. And what is the work of fertilizer? You can see here, fertilizer added to the soil to make it more fertile. The work of fertilizer is to make the soil more fertile. Fertile मतलब होता है बेटा ग्रोइंग पावर. मतलब फसल पैदा करने की जो मिट्टी में क्षमता होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड fertile land. That is called fertile. Fertile का मतलब होता है उपजाऊ. जिस ज़मीन पे जितनी अधिक क्षमता होती है फसल पैदा करने की उस ज़मीन को हम उतना ज़्यादा fertile बोलते हैं. fertile मतलब उपजाऊ. और इसका अपोजिट क्या होता है बेटा? इसका अपोजिट होता है barren. BARREN. barren मतलब होता है बेटा बंजर. मतलब जिस ज़मीन में कुछ भी नहीं पैदा किया जा सकता, कोई भी क्रॉप नहीं लगाई जा सकती, जो ऐसे ही खाली पड़ा रहता है, उसमें किसी भी चीज़ को ग्रो करने की पावर नहीं होती है, उसे बोलते हैं बैरन लैंड. इट इज़ द अपोजिट ऑफ फर्टाइल. फर्टाइल द लैंड विच इज़ फुल ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड ग्रो क्रॉप्स. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फर्टाइल. एंड the land which have no power, which have not power to grow crops, that is called barren land. And next is exercise. What is the exercise? This exercise name is, the name of the exercise is true and false. Dear student, you have to write here true, T for true and F for false. T for true and F for false. So let us see. First question is, natural resources are given to us by our friends. Read, just see once again and try to give the answer. Natural resources are given to us by our friends. It is true or false? natural resources are given to us by our friend. No, natural resources are given by nature. So it will be false. Your answer will be false. And next is burning garbage. Burning garbage causes air pollution. गार्बेज मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? कूड़ा कचरा, जो अपने घर का हम वेस्ट मटेरियल बाहर फेंकते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड गार्बेज। अगर हम उसको जलाते हैं तो क्या वो एयर पोल्यूशन प्रोड्यूस करता है? इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? टेल मी द आंसर। यस, burning garbage causes air pollution. Yes beta, it is true. And next is sewage water causes noise pollution. Sewage water causes noise pollution. Sewage water causes noise pollution. There is no relation of noise pollution with sewage water. Sewage water is related with water pollution, but not the noise pollution. So it will be true or false? Tell me. Yes, it will be false. And next question is typhoid is caused by polluted water. Yes student, typhoid is caused by polluted water. It will be true. And next is overuse of chemical fertilizer causes land pollution. It is true बेटा। जब हम लगातार अपने खेत में लगातार फर्टिलाइज़र डालते हैं तो वो फर्टिलाइज़र क्या करता है? हमारे खेतों को पलूट करता है। मीन्स उसकी जो प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी होती है, जो फसल पैदा करने की जो क्षमता होती है, वो डाउन हो जाती है। सो ओवर यूज़ ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलाइज़र कॉजेज लैंड पोल्यूशन। अगर हम एक लिमिट में फर्टिलाइज़र्स यूज़ करते हैं तो वो अच्छी चीज़ है, लेकिन अगर हम ओवर यूज़ करते हैं ज़्यादा फसल पैदा करने के लिए तो वो क्या है? इट विल बी द कॉज ऑफ लैंड पोल्यूशन. सो आंसर इज ट्रू. So my dear student, it's all about our today's class. Be careful about your study and learn properly all the things. Read lesson many times. I repeated it many times that you have to read lesson carefully many times. So enjoy your day. Have a nice day.